Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sari, and if you are new to this channel, I post videos related on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So stay updated for that. And now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I take care of my skin with home remedies. Most of you guys know that I have oily and acne prone skin and I don't like to go to the salon and get the facial or cleanup from there. So what I do is I take some good ingredients from my kitchen and I do my facial at home with this home remedies. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful because all the ingredients I'm gonna be using today I'm pretty sure you already have it home. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and don't forget to wear something comfortable. Now the first step is always to cleanse your skin, and for cleansing we need tomato slices. Now this is a trick that I always do when I feel my skin looks dull. It always works for me. I like to give this process a good time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and I massage my face with this tomato slice in a circular motion. So now we're done with the cleansing, move on to the exfoliate. In order to exfoliation, we are gonna be needed 3 simple ingredients: honey, coffee, sugar powder. Now take a ball and put all the ingredients in it and mix it well with the spoon. Now I have oily skin, that's why I make the consistency this thick and I like to use my hands to massage into my skin. If you have sensitive skin, make sure to add more honey and less sugar or coffee. You want to make sure to be gentle and not harsh on your skin. I spend good 5 to 10 minutes really massaging this into my skin and getting rid of all the dead skin. And I also like to use this scrub on my lips. Now when you apply anything on the skin, make sure to do kind of upward motion just to avoid getting any sort of premature wrinkle. Now wash your face with warm water. You can see the difference in one go. Once you're done with the exfoliation, move on to third step, which is face mask. The first thing I'm gonna be use is some gram flour, turmeric and curd. Now mix all the 3 ingredients. Mix it till then it looks like this. I have been using this mask since year now. At one point I used to actually use this kind of like body cleanser, like using all over my body and face. Like any other mask, you need to apply a thick layer on all over your face and don't forget to put some on your neck as well and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the mask dried, and I'm gonna be wet my hands and slowly massaging the mask into my skin. You need to exfoliate softly and not go too harsh on your skin because we exfoliate once before. Now just wash your face with warm water. And here is a really quick before and after. As you can see, the after definitely my face looks a lot brighter and my skin also looks very smooth. You can see how happy I am to see my skin like this.
So guys, this is all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also if you follow this remedy, tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description box below. Till then, bye, tada, take care.